Hi guys, it's Rob from Iceboxauto here. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on a MMI box on the Landrover L322. This is the 2010. It will fit the 2010 to 12 as long as you've got the touchscreen and this Denso menu, so it's got to be orange there. If your Denso menu looks anything different on the Jaguars and stuff like that, don't touch it. It's got to have this exact menu here. So this is the MMI box, which consists of a hardware box that goes behind the dash. And you do actually have to stick a circuit board within the actual radio itself, so this needs to come out, open up the radio, put the circuit board in, and then obviously that works with the box. Okay, so I'm just going to have a little switch over, which you use this button here, and then that switches over to the aftermarket side. So as you can see there, that's the Android Auto menu there. Still is touchscreen on the system here. There's not much I can show you about these type of systems, but obviously if you've got an Android phone, it gives you an Android Auto. If you've got an Apple phone, it gives you CarPlay. Same sort of app, brings over all your music, your Navi apps, your text messaging apps, your phone calls, all onto this here. Just to show you what's down here. These systems not really meant for swiping, to be honest with you, due to the age. The new cars are, but as you can see, it's still nice and responsive, as you can see. As you can see, it's got like my Amazon Music on there, and here Maps and Google Maps. So if we wanted to use, like, say, let's have a look, 1 second, Google Maps. So as you can see, my Google Maps is there. The system works into the car's auxiliary. You do get a little auxiliary cap button that you stick into the auxiliary behind. Just show you, see if I can show you. Not too sure whether you can see that. You do get like a little sort of like device to stick in the aux port. All that does is basically stops it from being greyed out. If you can't get the aux working on there, then obviously you're not going to get sound through the system. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. It was a bit short and sweet today. So yeah, please, got any questions, give us a shout. It does work with the steering wheel controls, as you can see doing that. So yeah, we'll put the link down below in the description, all our contact details. Got any questions, give us a shout. Thank you, bye bye.